Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix we cannot activate Windows on this device error 0xc004f074 on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 3 steps. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem. Fix it. Okay, let's go to that first step. Activation troubleshoot. So go to that settings, you can click to open, then we can go to that system, then scroll down, you can click on the activation, then you click on the here you can see this error. So just right side you will get troubleshoot. Just you can click to start the troubleshoot. Once it click to start this process, few minutes after that it finished, then your problem solved. Sometimes if this try to it does not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So we need Windows search bar and type cmd, right click on the command promote and click on to open, choose the run as administrator, then this command provided in this video description, then copy to paste. First command copy, then come to here paste right over, then just hit the enter, then next command, then successfully finish it, then click the OK, then go to next command and copy, then here come to paste, just hit the enter, finally exit. That is all successfully, then click to exit, then finally your problem it will have solved this problem. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And thanks for watching. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.